Okay, so I'm sitting here with Glenn Watson, who has bought his beautiful boat, Baruch, to Yaringa. Glenn, welcome, and thanks for coming here. Can you tell us a little bit about how you came to love this boat and got this boat?
Yeah, look, we were looking for a catamaran. We wanted something that still performed really well, that was quite lightweight. It's only 15 tonne, and something that could hold our family and some friends. And so it's been bought to cruise and see the parts of Australia and the world that you can only get to on a boat. And it's we had it designed and built for us in France. Picked it up in 2019, cruised the Med for a little while.
All the photos.
That's become a bit of a photo wall of the places it's been. It's been great.
Amazing. And why did you choose Yaringa? Why did you bring it here to Yaringa, Glenn?
Well, look, I mean, I know Mal and the guys at Hart Marine, and obviously it's a big investment purchasing a boat like this, and it's really important that it's in safe hands and in hands that know what they're doing. And I just felt a huge comfort after speaking to Mal and GT around just the depth of knowledge you guys have here.
Yes.
And that's just been, my expectations have been absolutely exceeded there. They've just picked up little things that I wouldn't have picked up and done an incredible job.
So we got it in, at high tide on the new trailer. Can you tell us a little bit about that process?
I guess by default this is actually the only marina that can pull this boat in Victoria at the moment. So we're 8.6 wide.
Yes.
So there are not many places that can pull it out. The trailer was fantastic. It was so easy. We just sailed in on it, just literally like bringing a dinghy out of the water in some respects. So that was awesome. And the guys did an amazing job. Just that confidence in knowing we're in safe hands was great.
Yes, and you've had some work done on it, obviously, as we spoke about, a bit of anti-foul. Anything else? Did you have to little touch-ups here and there?
Yeah, look, I mean, it was always when you pull a boat out, you see a few things that you didn't expect. So the guys have done a full anti-foul. We've had all the engines serviced, the generator serviced.
All here at Yaringa?
Yeah, all here at Yaringa, which has been fantastic. The sea legs drained. Anti-fouled, boat fully polished.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, it's come up. I'm wrapped with it. There was a few things I asked them to have a look at with the sail track and the Hartman cars, and they've worked their wonders on that. And look, just absolutely in great hands here, and I just felt a real confidence in the team, and they've been done nothing but fall over themselves to help us, which is pretty unusual in this industry.
Oh, that's really good to hear. Thank you for that. And so Christmas is upon us?
Yes.
Where to now?
Yeah, well, we're leaving in about half an hour and dropping it in the water, and we're Sydney bound. So we're going to hot foot it to Eden, and the rest of the family's going to jump on there, and then we'll cruise up the coast and do Sydney Harbour for Christmas and New Year's Eve. So
fantastic!
Excited to be on the start line of the Sydney to Hobart to watch the boats leave the harbour and watch the fireworks on New Year's Eve. So that'd be great.
Amazing, and great family time in such a great family boat.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what we bought it for. It's really an investment in our family, and we've seen some incredible places, been to some amazing spots there, and that'll be another one now that COVID's over, now that we can actually sail places.
Touch wood.
Yes, that's right, touch wood. It's just great to be able to get it out of Port Phillip Bay and use it for what we purchased it for.
Awesome. And look, mate, Merry Christmas. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. Thanks for coming to Yaringa. Got a little bottle of perhaps New Year's Eve, one of our restaurant wines here, the Captain Jack's restaurant. This is a Montalto Pinot. So thank you. And also, you'll be getting burned. So
I love it.
The Yaringa hat.
I love a good bucket hat.
So hopefully that can hang on a hook here somewhere. And
definitely. My doctor will be wrapped. He's always burning off some sort of skin cancer off me. So that's good.
Oh, good. Glenn, thank you very much.
Awesome,
all the best.
Paul.
And we hope to see you back here at Yaringa sometime very soon.
We'll be back for sure. Thanks so much.
Thank you.